Greetings to all YouTubers, it's Ambassadors of Creativity. I am Ajay Pal and today I am going to deliver a speech on girl education. Education is very necessary for every child, whether boy or girl. It helps a person study new things with skill and learn about the facts of the world. Education plays an important role in the protection of women's rights. It also helps to prevent discrimination based on gender. Education increases productivity in their work. An educated woman has skills, information, talent, and self confidence that make her a better mother, employee, and resident of the country. Women constitute almost half of our population. Men and women are like two aspects of a coin. Thus, they need equal opportunities to contribute to the development of the country. Both cannot survive without each other. It is depressing that some communities still differentiate against the education of the girl child. Education is a key factor for girls' empowerment, prosperity, development, and welfare. There are continuous inequality and liability of girls in all sectors: economic, education, social, political, healthcare, nutrition, right, and legal, etc. The rise of girls' education was mainly done by King Ram Mohan Rai and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar during British rule in India. He paid attention to the education of women. Some leaders of the scheduled caste community like Jyotiba Phule and Babasaheb Ambedkar had initiated many initiatives to provide education to the women of India. At the same time, as a result, the female literacy rate has increased since 1947. Many factors are responsible for less education of women in the society, like poverty, distance, insecurity, negative behaviors, child marriage, child labor, religious factors, etc. That's all about my speech. Hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more exciting videos. Also, follow us on Instagram, Ambassadors of Creativity. See you next time and bye.